So, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. If you are new here, allow me to say welcome. Hello. And if you are returning, welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for coming back. So, as you can see by the thumbnail, we do have IPSY, my paid subscription, IPSY Glam Bag, and the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. So, if you want to see what I got and what I chose, because I sure do want to see it, I forgot, no surprise there, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, we are back. Thank you so much for hanging in there and continuing to watch the video. My name is Stephanie and this is a beauty channel. We do everything beauty related in what I like to call real life beauty, because this channel is real life. I am not a makeup artist, and I'm betting the majority of the people watching me at home or wherever you happen to be are not makeup artists either. You know, I have a little bit of a problem sometimes relating. I'm not a makeup artist, so I just like to keep this very simple, very real. If you can get into the beauty related things, but in a real life way where I don't always get my words right. You know, I mispronounce ingredients. I drop things all the time. My looks don't come out perfect, but I try my best and I keep on trying. I don't have all the answers either, but I am also willing to learn. Then please, by all means, hit this button down below. I would love to have you. If you could remember to rate the video, that would be oh so wonderful. It does really help the algorithm, and YouTube is changing things again. Oh my gosh, you have no idea. And then also the bell is a very important thing. Okay, enough about that. We are going to jump into IPSY. Very odd, both of these bags showed up. Now guys, my IPSY Open Studio comes in a box like this. Okay, so I do know that. Well, these two bags arrived today, as a matter of fact, and I have no idea. If you're not aware about IPSY, there are 3 subscriptions. I believe one of them is around $60. That is quarterly. Then they have the Glam Bag Plus, which I'm betting is this one because it's very heavy. That is, I want to say, around $28. I do believe there is a processing fee now of $1.99, and there is tax. Shipping is included in that price. And then we have what I believe is the Glam Bag. We will find out when we open it. I mean, I don't know. It's very big, and there's a lot of big things in here. The Glam Bag is the smallest one of the 3. It comes to 15 and change. Used to be $13.72. I'm not sure how I feel about that, to be honest with you. I mean, let's see if it's any different, maybe. Maybe it is going to be different. I've heard some people talk about, you know, the Glam Bag and that, holy moly, it was really good this month. So I do know what I picked. And that is probably why I think I have the bigger bag. But again, I don't know. Like I said, I'm as in the dark. So we're just going to jump on into it. So IPSY Glam Bag Plus, this is the second tier. Oh, okay, no. No, I had that one wrong. Okay, no. This is the Glam Bag. Yeah, it sure is. And it's heavy as heck. And it came in a big old bag. So, okay. Listen, this is crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 items. Okay, well, first thing is we have the bag. Now, I did get this in my IPSY Open Studio. I do like this bag, though. I do like the starfish. I like the color. The theme for IPSY this month is Soak It All In. Okay, all right. On this one, they do give you the full-size version of these travel size, sample size, and sometimes full-size products, okay? But by what I'm looking at here, wow, okay. Now, we have Refreshments, a brilliant body bar in citrus spritz. Guys, this is a big, giant bar soap. I'm a bar soap girl. Oh, it smells very good. I do like it, and it's very pretty. It's a very heavy. Wow, okay, so this is a full size, and it is worth $9. Now, the next thing I have is Vanilla Co. Miss Flower and Miss Honey Propolis Rejuvenating Lotion. This is a deluxe sample, and the MSRP of the full-size version is $38. Let's see, is there a safety seal on it? Yes, there is. So I can't smell it. All it says about this is score all intense skin nourishing benefits of honey and propolis, a soothing mixture created by bees. I love honey. I really do. I say it all the time. Manuka honey is very good for your skin. Any chance I get to use it in a mask or in a lotion, even a face wash, I do. I absolutely do. Now, the third thing I see, we did get one of these. It is from Prestige, Now, I do believe I got a different color in my IPSY Open Studio, so I'm very happy. This is smoky green. Okay, so that is a green. It's very hard to see, but in the light, you can see that. Okay, so always happy to get a liner other than black, because I do have a lot of them. So here we have a green, and that's awesome. Okay, and this is, I'm believing it is a full size, yes, and the retail value is $8. With one swift flick of your wrist, you can line your eyes with this smudge-proof ultra-pigmented liner. It goes on smooth and stays on all day for a photo-worthy eyeliner look. So there you have it. So they're claiming this is, you know, it's not going to smudge off, so that's cool. Okay, so this is what I picked. Now, this is from Head Candy. I always forget the name. Head Candy Mini Hair Care Set. Okay. Now, you know I'm going through the issues of losing my hair. It is still falling out. There's a whole video, like I said, coming. I have a few more clips like to film, and then I can start editing it, and I will have that up for you. Guys, there's a lot of videos coming, and I'm trying to do the ones that aren't date related, like have a date mentioned in them or have to be up by a certain date. So I'm saving that for when the surgery happens, because they are getting ready to schedule me, and I cannot say no again. Just no, they are so many. They said they will drop me as a patient, and I can't have that. Okay, so this is the Head Candy Mini Hair Care Set. Make room in your shower, because this hair care trio is about to become your new go-to for wash days. Okay, the shampoo and conditioner will help keep your hair smooth and soft for days, and the leave-in treatment uses amino keratins to strengthen strands over time. Tip: mist the leave-in all over towel-dried hair to help loosen any tangles before brushing. And you know I need that, because, guys, when I brush my hair, it's terrible. So it does come in a package like this, okay? It does have one of those little scanny things on the back. And then, of course, it just says, Squad Gold Shampoo and Conditioner. Your routine can be tough on your hair, making it brittle and frail over time. And, yes, that is me. Squad Goals is a keratin-rich formula that's packed full of vitamins, minerals, and principal amino acids that your damaged hair needs to heal. So let's open her up. Oh my gosh. So this is very cute. I was happy. I was like, oh, a bundle? I want a bundle. This is like really perfect. I mean, I'm not saying like you can't get 1,000 washes out of it, you know, because they're not that big, but they are 1 ounce, right? 1.69 ounces. Okay, so the weight is there. So I would say probably the conditioner, I would get maybe 2 uses, and the shampoo, maybe 2 uses. This, I would definitely get more uses out of. It is a spray guy. This is the leave-in treatment. And this helps to detangle your hair. And boy, do I ever need that, because brushing through this hair, guys, you have no idea how much hair I lose. I literally just cry and cry. This set is worth, let's see, it's $15. So this is 5, this is 5, and this is 5. So there you have it. Okay, that's awesome. Now, guys, I'm seeing a pattern here. The last thing is we have a palette, a full-size palette. Holy moly. Okay, I don't think I've ever seen this in the IPSY Glam Bag. Remember, guys, this is the Glam Bag. Now, so this did, like I said, go up for $15, so not bad. Okay, so here's what it looks like. It's from Trend Beauty, and you will see Trend Beauty, if you have not already, in the unboxing of my June Ice Cream Beauty. See? Listen. Ice Cream Beauty and IPSY, same brand. Need I say more? Go IPSY, go Ice Cream Beauty. Okay, so this is the Mosaic Palette, and it does have on the back, cruelty-free, 24-month shelf life, it is recyclable, and there you have it, okay? It does have a mirror. Oh, this is very pretty. Listen, for a $15 bag, and it's supposed to be a travel size at that, or, you know, sample size, I'm for it. Okay, so here you have it. Again, same thing on the back as there is on the sheath. And then it does have a mirror. Okay, I will show you. Oh, my fingers just went in it. I janked it up. Oh my God. You know what? I can't. So I did do that myself, guys. My pinky went in it. And I did a little nail too. Wow. So it does have a sheath. Okay, a nice one too. It's pretty thick. And then you do have a little mirror right here. And then there are the shades. So not bad. It's a very summery palette. You have purples and blues. You have a green shimmer, a gold, a peach. You have your neutrals as well. And you have my fingernail mark in there. It says name a shade in ROYGBIV. And this 15-pan eyeshadow palette has got you covered. It features 10 vibrant eyeshadow colors as well as 5 neutrals to help you mix and match till your heart's desire. This is a full size, and it's worth $12.50, which Trend Beauty is very affordable. Now, I have not tried this brand, but there you have it. So let's recap. We have the full-size palette. We have a full-size bar of soap that Smells very good, like citrus. We have a full-size green liner, smoky green. We have a travel or miniature deluxe sample size of the Mrs. Flower, Mr. Honey Propolis moisturizer. And then we have the trio set. So, guys, that's why it was in such a big bag, because these are all big things. So that is the Glam bag for July. Okay. I'm very happy with that. You know, you have all these full size and you even have a palette. So for $15, I mean, I don't know. You know, I mean, if they were to give me all little tiny samples for the $15 and not like, they raise the price of the bag and not include, you know, something, I don't know how I'd feel. But this was a good bag. I was very happy with that. Okay, moving on to the Glam Bag Plus. Yes, we are. Okay, so if you remember, in my IPSY Glam Studio, I got the blue bag. Well, now I have the yellow with the blue string. I'm very, very happy. Yay. Okay, so there we have it. Again, it doesn't go with the eye look this time, but, you know, well, maybe yellow and orange are not too far off. So there you have that. And you know, guys, I love the bags. I really do. I use them for everything. So I'm going to be able to give you the prices right here because I have them in front of me if I can see. Now, one thing that I did not choose, but they chose for me, and I'm kind of happy about this because, listen, I got the Gold Faden MD, right? You remember that. It was in the IPSY Open Studio, and I'm actually using that right now on my eyes, guys. Now, remember, my makeup has been on for a very long time, and I have filmed a lot of videos. For my under eyes to not, like, I only touched them up once hours ago. I put a little bit more concealer on, like I tapped it out, and yeah. I mean, not bad at all. So that was Gold Faden MD, and so is this. So they picked this for me. This is the Needleless Line Smoothing Concentrate. Dr. Gold Faden Smoothing Serum is the ultimate non-invasive solution to reduce the appearance of fine line depth. Okay? Now, this says, okay, what? Okay, this is $165, okay? This is a full size. It is 50 mils, which means that is 1.7 fluid ounces, okay? And it is $165. They picked this for me. It says, this powerful smoothing serum helps smooth skin, improve elasticity, and reduce the appearance of fine lines with moisture-boosting hyaluronic acid and seaweed extract. Now, y'all know how sometimes I cannot do seaweed extract. I am going to have to test this out. I may not be able to use it, and that would be a bummer. Anything with Dead Sea minerals, seaweed, you know, extract, anything like that, to rub it in my skin, I don't know. And I'm going to have to be very careful with trying this. They picked this for me. This is Clean Beauty Skylar Coconut Grove and the Perfume, okay? And it is a roller ball, all right? Let me just maybe go like that, and then I can see. Yes, it is very clean. I must admit, it smells very fresh. It smells very clean. I don't really smell the coconut too much in it. Maybe a small hint, but there smells like there's something else in there. Oh, bergamot. That's what I smell. Bergamot and ambrox, but I don't smell that. It layers well with salt air and vanilla sky. I guess that's another fragrance. This is from the brand Skylar, like I said, and it is 0.033 fluid ounces. There's the box right there. And here's the component, okay? It's very simplistic. I do like that. I mean, you can throw this in your purse. Will I wear this? Yes. I will put it in my purse, and I will put it on whenever I need to. If I'm out and I, you know, just want to smell nice for that moment or whatever. Yeah, I can definitely smell the bergamot. Not so much the coconut and a little bit of the amber. That is the bottom note. So it is a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. At least that's my advice, okay? This is $29. It is 10 mils, and it is a full size. IPSY Glam Bag Plus is 5 full-size items. One whiff of this calming scent sends you straight to the beach, sipping a pina colada while the wind brings in the scent of salty water and blooming flowers nearby. Okay, cool. So we have a perfume. I mean, I think that this is very personal when choosing it, and they chose it for me. It's not like I picked it. So I think, you know, I don't know. Maybe perhaps put it in a choice and then give us various scents, maybe, and then you could kind of tailor it to yourself, because, you know, like I said, perfumes are very personal. All right, so the next thing we have is, okay, I picked this. I know I did because I need it and I'm out of it. I was always getting, I guess, the sample or travel size because this is a big sucker. This is the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, and your girl loves this stuff because yes, I do. Here's what the packaging looks like. Standard Anastasia. Okay. Now, I have not tried their tinted or anything. I'm very happy to get this. I did pick it and I needed it, and I'm very, very happy. Thank you, IPSY. Okay. Retail value of this is $22. Okay. So, the next item. Now, I think I've gotten this before. No, I think I got it from perhaps BOXYCHARM. I'm not sure. This is the Derm Select Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum. My camera just switched over, guys. So, okay. There's the packaging right there. Here's the bottle. It has a little squeezy thing, and it is 1 fluid ounce. And let's see, $39. It is a full-size face serum. What it does, one source or retinol is amazing. It's a power anti-ager. 3 sources of retinol is even better. This serum uses 3 forms of retinol: pure vitamin A, retinol palmate, and retinyl acetate to help improve the look of lines, wrinkles, and to sun damage all over time. Okay, well, I'll take it because your girl still has to get some done. Now, you know I do swear by my Glow Recipe, but my face is used to retinol now thanks to Glow Recipe. So I think maybe I can incorporate this perhaps maybe once or twice a week, you know, just to, I don't know, see if it could push me a little further. The guava, I have been using it, but you know, that takes time. I'm sorry, again, we have the Soak It All In card, which really, it doesn't give the prices anymore. I wish they would bring that back. That's just my one little thing. Now, this is Symbiosis. I can tell you this is a heck of expensive as well. You know, out of the choices I had, this was the one. This is the Tightening and Replenishing Eye Mask. I have a ton of them, right? But you know what? Like I said, I am going to find the perfect eye mask one day. Okay, I really am. Now, I do know this brand is expensive, but we get it in a subscription box, so why not, right? Okay, this is, oh boy, this is a full size, and this is $93. Okay, it's a ½ ounce. Well, you know, eye creams, that's generally what they are. $93. Let's read what it does, shall we? Brighter, tighter, rejuvenated under eyes. Yes, please. This eye cream uses hyaluronic acid, pullulan, and shea butter to help achieve all of the above. And we can't get enough. Okay, so there you have it. So let's recap. We have the under eye cream. We have the retinol. We do have the needleless line smoothing concentrate, which should plump the lines, I would think, with some Dead Sea minerals. And then we do have Perfume, and we have the Brow Wiz. So these are the 5 products. And of course, we have the bag. So I'm not mad. I mean, no makeup, but I got it in my Glam bag. That Glam bag was very well, like, spread out, you know. And I will leave the total of this bag right here, which I'm sure it's going to be pretty high up there in the value. Listen, guys, I want to say thank you very much. Also, I want to ask y'all a question. Would you have a problem with some of my videos being like introductions to the palettes that I have and perhaps swatching them out and maybe like do a get ready with me? I've never really sat down and done a get ready with me, like told you a story or something. I've gone over what I'm doing on my face, like the eyeshadows and everything, but I've not actually sat down and actually just chit-chatted. So I would like to know if I can stay on point, you know, I would try my best. Would you be interested in doing that? Comment down below and please let me know that. Also, let me know what you think about the Glam Bag. Are you, you know, a little more impressed with the Glam Bag, the regular one, being that it's almost $15.50, I think, but with the products that we got. So anyway, let me know all the details down below. Are we twins? Did we get the same products? What's your favorite product out of all of these? And yeah, leave me all the details down below. You know I love reading each and every one of your comments. And until the next one, I will say, guys, please, if you're going through something, talk about it. There's an old saying, if you don't want to say anything, that's the time to share. If you don't want to hear anything, that's the time to listen. And most of all, in this crazy mixed up world, to all my loved ones all across the globe, please stay safe. Until the next one, see ya.